Had ever pondered what the leading causes of death were last year? You might be surprised. The list is a wake-up call to health, a stark reminder that life is fragile and that prevention, early detection and treatment of diseases are paramount. It's a call to action, too, reminding us to prioritize our health and well-being and to stay informed about the potential threats to our lives. This is not about fear, but about awareness and empowerment. So, without further ado, let's delve into the top 10 causes of death in 2023. Starting with number 10, we have kidney disease. This silent invader often creeps in without any prominent signs. However, some people might experience fatigue, a symptom that's easily mistaken for just being overworked. Another sign could be difficulty sleeping, often overlooked as a symptom of stress. Dry and itchy skin can also indicate the body's struggle to maintain a balance of minerals and nutrients. Frequent urination, especially at night, can be a clear sign of kidney disease. And finally, if you notice puffiness around your eyes, it could mean your kidneys are leaking a large amount of protein in your urine. Early detection can make a significant difference in managing this condition. At number 9, we find influenza and pneumonia. These conditions often present with similar symptoms, which can include a high fever and chills. A persistent cough is another common sign, and it may bring up mucus or phlegm. Shortness of breath can also occur, often accompanied by chest discomfort or pain. Fatigue is another telltale symptom, with individuals feeling tired or drained most of the time. Awareness and timely treatment can significantly reduce fatalities. Diabetes takes the 8th spot. This chronic condition creeps in stealthily, often revealing itself through subtle signs. Increased thirst is one of the first indicators where you may find yourself reaching for a water bottle more often than usual. Next, frequent urination follows, disrupting your daily routine and sleep. The body's inability to properly use insulin can also lead to extreme hunger even after meals. Unexplained weight loss might seem like a boon to some, but it's often a red flag for diabetes. Lastly, persistent fatigue, a feeling of being worn out despite ample rest, is another telltale sign. Regular checkups and a healthy lifestyle can help control diabetes. Alzheimer's disease is our 7th leading cause of death. A cruel thief of memories, Alzheimer's is often first noticed through forgetting recent events or conversations. As it progresses, the disease causes difficulty in completing everyday tasks, such as driving to familiar places or managing money. The passage of time becomes an enigma, causing confusion about dates, seasons, and the progression of time. Perhaps the most distressing symptom is a change in mood or personality, with sufferers often becoming confused, suspicious, or anxious. Early detection can help manage the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Stroke holds the 6th position. As a sudden interruption of blood flow to the brain, a stroke can present in several ways. Sudden numbness or weakness, especially on one side of the body, is a common sign. Another red flag is sudden confusion, trouble speaking or understanding speech, as if one's thoughts have become tangled. Vision can also be affected unexpectedly, with vision problems in one or both eyes. A sudden difficulty with walking, dizziness or loss of balance can also signal a stroke. Lastly, a sudden severe headache with no known cause can be a stroke warning. Immediate medical attention is vital when stroke symptoms are noticed. Accidents surprisingly sit in the middle of our list at number 5. Unlike other entries on this list, accidents don't come with a set of symptoms to watch out for. However, that doesn't make them any less significant. The best way to prevent accidents is through constant awareness and adherence to safety measures. This can range from wearing a seatbelt while driving, to being mindful of wet floors, to ensuring that firearms are safely stored away. By staying vigilant and taking precautions, we can significantly reduce the risk of fatal accidents. Staying cautious and safe can prevent unnecessary fatalities. Chronic lower respiratory diseases claim the 4th spot. These conditions, which include chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, asthma, and bronchitis, are often characterized by a persistent cough that refuses to go away. You may also experience a shortness of breath, not just during physical activities, but also while at rest. Another telltale sign is wheezing, a whistling sound when you breathe, indicative of obstructed airflow. Lastly, a feeling of tightness or discomfort in the chest can signal the presence of these diseases. Regular checkups can help manage these conditions and improve quality of life. Cancer ranks 3rd in our list. This insidious disease often creeps in unnoticed, with symptoms varying widely based on the type and stage of the disease. General signs, however, may include persistent fatigue that doesn't improve with rest. Some individuals may also experience unexplained weight loss, often a sign of cancers of the pancreas, stomach, esophagus, or lung. Pain that doesn't go away can be a symptom of bone or testicular cancer. Changes in the skin, such as yellowing, darkening, or redness, can indicate skin cancer. Lastly, changes in bowel or bladder habits can signal colon, bladder, or prostate cancer. Early detection and treatment can increase survival rates significantly. Heart disease is the second leading cause of death. The symptoms of this condition are often subtle and can be easily overlooked. Chest pain or discomfort, often described as a squeezing, pressure, or heaviness, is one of the most common signs. Shortness of breath, particularly during physical activities, is another key indicator. Palpitations or the feeling of a fast-beating, fluttering, or pounding heart can also signal heart disease. Lastly, swelling in the legs, ankles, and feet, known as edema, may be a symptom. Maintaining a healthy lifestyle can significantly reduce the risk of heart disease. And the leading cause of death in 2023 was COVID-19. A respiratory illness, COVID-19 shows varying symptoms amongst individuals. Some experience mild symptoms, while others may become severely ill. Common signs include fever, dry cough, and profound tiredness. Many individuals also report a sore throat, while some encounter a loss of taste or smell. It is vital to follow health guidelines to protect ourselves and others from this virus. So there you have it, the top 10 causes of death in 2023. From kidney disease at number 10 to the persistent COVID-19 at number 1, we've explored the symptoms and signs of each. Awareness and early detection are paramount. It's important to remember that diseases like influenza, pneumonia, diabetes, Alzheimer's, stroke, and even accidents can be managed or prevented with the right care and precautions. Chronic lower respiratory diseases, cancer, and heart disease remind us of the importance of a healthy lifestyle. Stay aware, stay healthy, and remember that prevention is always better than cure.